everyone, it's Joanne. I just got back from the grocery store, and before I put away my groceries, I decided that I would reorganize my pantry. And I actually wanted to reorganize my pantry, I don't know, like 2 weeks ago, but I got really sick. So I'm feeling a lot better, and I am ready to start tackling these decluttering and organizing projects that I've been wanting to do. I'm ready to get this done, and I want you guys to come along with me.
Want to keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy.
I stopped and filled up the crock pot with some chicken breast, and I put on a little Italian seasoning, and then I already have some spaghetti with a little bit of tomato marinara sauce in the refrigerator ready to go. All I have to do is take the spaghetti and marinara sauce and put it in a pan, and then take this cooked chicken and flake it up and place it across the spaghetti, and then get mozzarella cheese and sprinkle that on top, and then breadcrumbs and sprinkle that on top, and then put it in the oven at 350 for 10 to 15 minutes, and just basically enough to melt the cheese, and then sprinkle over some herbs or some fresh basil, and there you go. You got yourself some chickenetti.
So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it. Monday came and swept away all the fun of yesterday's. But I'm gonna hold it together, this ain't forever. Need a shot and then a beat, somewhere to let off some steam. I'm not the one to say never, never say never. Been playing it.
I got like jars and stuff, but I need to go buy more. But I got these at the Dollar Tree, 3 for $1, and I was gonna use them for spices, but they don't have the little grater, this thing. They don't have this thing to put on here, and this is actually from an old spice bottle, and I thought it was gonna fit, and it looks like it would, but then you can't put this on top. It doesn't fit. So I'm using them for other things, like I filled this up with popcorn, and so I have a little leftover popcorn, so I'm just gonna put it in here because it looks cuter than putting it in a Ziploc bag. So yeah, and then like some bouillon cubes. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Moms, does this happen to you? Do you end up with like that much cereal at the end of each one? And then the kids just open up a new box of cereal? Oh. Also, don't buy green tea from the Dollar Tree. It's disgusting. I'm throwing this away. Okay, so I emptied the crock pot with the chicken breast, and here's the chicken breast from the crock pot. It just falls apart. And there's the spaghetti, and then I had a little bit of leftover chili, so I went ahead and added some chili to it. And now I'm just gonna smother it in cheese and breadcrumbs, and then stick it in the oven. So this is the final product. I've got my cereals and pretzels and chips and crackers and kind of like junk food that we really don't want to be getting into immediately up here. I'm hoping like out of sight, out of mind type thing. And then peanut butter and honey is on here. This used to be a spice rack. And this was a piece of board that was in my garage that my husband cut. And then I've got my glass jars all here. My coconut oil is here. Probably I'm gonna put this in front because I know I'm gonna use it more. We'll see how long this lasts. So like dinner items are in here, and then like vinegar, cider vinegar. I got my vitamins up front, and then my baking supplies back here, and then hiding back here in the corner, cake mix. So I took some little containers and I zip tied them so they would stay. And then in here is more like kind of like snacks, nuts, dates, noodles, chocolate, popcorn, cereal. So just kind of random stuff. But it works. And then here's snacks, and this one's empty, which probably when I go through, when we end up eating some of this stuff, a lot of it might end up in here. So then down here I have pancake mix, and I left the label, the instructions for the kids, even though I pretty much have it memorized. That's the pancake mix, rice, Ziploc bags, aluminum foil, canned goods, wheat flour, juice. So that's the pantry. Looks a lot better than it did before. I almost forgot to tell you that I also organized this drawer. So I've got the little baby spices in here, like my pumpkin pie spice, my favorite. Some extra like duplicates, duplicate toothpicks. This is what used to be a candle, and I took the wax out of it and cleaned it and put my coffee filters in it. And then these are some spice mixes that fit perfectly in there, and my can opener. So I put our coffee and tea down here, and then the spices up here, and I got a wood block. I'll show you. Got a wood block back here, and then this is actually a box that had tea bags in it. And then also here's another wood block. It just helps me to kind of see things better. And then up in here is all my baking supplies. And I think these are, yeah, some extra Splenda, and there's like toothpicks, and yeah, that's all the little frostings and icings and such. And then I have this down here that has tea with some cinnamon and a peppermint stick. So yeah, that's it, I'm done. Took me all day. Should not have taken me all day, but you know, life gets in the way. So anyway, all right. Well, thanks for watching. If you made it this far, thank you for watching my video. See you on the next video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.